Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start with this horizontal section of eye in your syllabus. Now in previous video we study about the structure of the eyeball. Now today I am going to teach you horizontal section of eye by this diagram. This is a horizontal section of the eye in simple black and white for practicing to draw. Okay. Now see in this diagram the outer layer of the eye which protect the eye. First one is this one is conjunctiva. Conjunctiva. Second layer, that is cornea. After it, here a fluid is filled. This is called aqueous humor. A fluid is filled here. This is called aqueous humor. After that, this long process is this one. This one is called iris. Iris, and this lens. This one is lens and supported by the 6 muscles. This is called ciliary muscles. This one is called circular ciliary muscles. Okay, and this big chamber, 2 chambers are there. Outer one is the aqueous chamber which contains the aqueous humor, and the behind this lens, this chamber is called vitreous chamber, or it contains the vitreous humor. It contains vitreous humor. Okay, this 2 chambers are there in front of the lens and in back of the lens. In front of the lens, this chamber is called the aqueous chamber, and it contains the liquid fluid that is called the aqueous humor. And behind this lens, a chamber is called the vitreous chamber, and it contains vitreous humor. And this one is supplementary ligament, this one is lens, and this one is retina. This one is retina. Outer layer, that is called sclera. This one, outer layer, sclera or sclerotic layer. And इसके बाद जो middle में होती है, this one is choroid, and inner one is retina, as you know. Okay, and this spot is called the blind spot. Blind spot, and this spot is the best vision, a spot of best vision, that is yellow spot. That is yellow spot. Okay, also called fovea centralis. And this one is optic nerve. This one is optic nerve. Okay, and vitreous chamber contains vitreous humor, aqueous chamber contains aqueous humor. Optic nerve, outermost layer is called the sclera, inner second one is choroid, and third one is retina. Okay, it contains 3 layers. Outer one is sclera, this one is retina, choroid, and inner one is retina. This spot is best vision, a spot of best vision, that is called yellow spot or fovea. And this one is called the no vision, that is called the blind spot. Okay, now this eye can contain 2 chamber here, you see. First one is aqueous chamber, and this one is vitreous chamber. Now aqueous chamber in front chamber between the lens and the cornea, where it is located between lens and cornea. Aqueous chamber where it is located between the lens and cornea, and it is filled with a clear watery liquid that is called the aqueous humor. As you know, aqueous chamber contain aqueous humor. Aqueous humor. Okay, it contains the aqueous humor, and it is where it is located between the lens and the cornea. The aqueous humor serve in 2 ways. The function of this aqueous humor: first one, keeps the lens moist. Keep the lens moist. The second one protect from the physical shocks and okay, जो आपका आइज का लेंस होता है तो उसको क्या रखता है, ये मॉइस्ट रखता है. क्यों? ताकि कोई भी अगर फिजिकल शॉक लगे तो उससे वो मॉइस्चर क्या करेगा, लुब्रिकेशन प्रोवाइड करेगा और उससे वो बचेगा. सेकेंड, it refracts light. It refracts light. Now second chamber, that is vitreous chamber. It is a larger cavity of the eyeball behind the lens. Where it is located? Behind the lens. Behind the lens. Okay, and it is filled with a transparent jelly. It is a watery liquid. Aqueous humor is a watery, and this one vitreous humor is jelly like. It is basic difference between the aqueous and vitreous. Vitreous is jelly like and aqueous is watery fluid. Okay, and the vitreous humor serves two function. It helps in keeping the shape of the eyeball. What is the main function? Its function is to moist the lens, keep the lens moist, or its function is to keeping the shape of the eyeball. It protect the retina and its nerve ending. It protect the retina and its nerve ending. Okay. Now next one, that is how do we see? How do we see? जो इमेज फॉर्म होता है वो कैसे होता है, कैसे हमें दिखाई देता है, दैट इज हाउ डू वी सी. नाउ द 4 मेजर स्टेप्स इन सीइंग ऑब्जेक्ट. हाउ डू वी सी. Now how do we see? The 4 major steps in seeing an object are, first one is entry of light rays. Entry of light rays, and second one is focusing of image. Focusing of image, and third one nerve impulse produced in retina. Nerve impulse produced in retina, and the fourth one transmitted to brain. Retina and transmitted to brain. Now next one, that is the brain interprets. Brain interprets. Now brain interprets. Now here entry of light rays. Light rays from the object enter the eye through the transparent structure, that is the cornea, conjunctiva, aqueous humor, lens, and then vitreous humor. After that, focusing of image. First, the curvature of the cornea converges the light rays to some extent, and the lens converges them further to form an image on the retina. The image on the retina is inverted and real. Image कहाँ बनती है? On the retina. और कैसा image बनता है? Always real और inverted. हम और inverted. Image formed on retina. Which type of image is this? Real. And the posture of the image is always inverted. Now next one, nerve impulses produced in retina and transmitted to brain. Now the light energy of the images produced chemical changes in the sensitive cell, that is rod and cone. These changes generate nerve impulses which travel through the optic nerve and reach the visual area of the cerebrum, where they give the sensation of sight. Next, brain interprets. Our brain interprets the image in many ways. It sees the object upright even if the image formed on the eye is inverted. Okay.